Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about a very exciting issue. First, I want to say welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how you can use this CPA Grip platform to earn a lot of money. I know CPA Grip is not going to be a new issue for you, but this method that I'm going to show you is a very easy, simple, tricky, and a new way of using the CPAGrip platform effectively. So stay tuned to the end of the video and don't skip any part of the video so that you don't miss anything. So the first thing that I'm going to do is go to my CPAGrip account. For those of you who don't have this account, it's just easy to create an account. You don't have to. It's a free website to sign up. So after I sign in, I'm just going to go to monetization tools and click on URL lockers. So I'm going to create a new URL locker and going to agree to the terms of the service. So this is going to be my editor to look the URL. So I'm going to find the website that I'm going to look. So I'm going to go to remote.co. Remote.co is a job advertisement website. So I'm just going to directly click any um, click on this job, for example, product designer. So there are different jobs available under product designer, so I'm just going to click this one. This is a job to a job advertisement of product designer at Quora. So I just can lock this website, so when people are coming to this page to see the job, they will be forced to they will be forced to use my offer. So because I'm going to lock this website, so in order to do that, I'm going to copy the URL link and go back to CPAGrip. So the first thing that I'm going to use to go to the templates and select the template that I'm going to use. In order to make it more smooth and tricky, I'm going to select this template. As you can see, it says after completion this source will be unlocked. So it's a common template, and it's just asking people to complete an offer before in order to prove they're human. So they will just directly click on I'm not a robot, and these offers will pop up, and will use this one of these offers and enter their email address so that you can earn money. So it is this simple. So I'm going to give a name for my URL locker. This like product design. This name is going to only be displayed for me, so I can use it in anything. I'm not going to change this name because I think it's simple and tricky, so I will leave it as it is. I can change the number of offers that can be. I can make it two, so that when people click on I'm not a robot, two offers will pop up, and I can make it three or 4 or 5 as I want. So I'm going to click it on forever, because I want to lock the website forever, and anytime people come to the websites that I'm going to lock, will this offer will pop up. So I have changed it to forever, and I'm going to paste the link here. So I'm done with that. So I'm going to show the offers available for me. I'm going to change it to United Kingdom, for example, and I can see different offers that are available in the United Kingdom. Okay, or I can search for United States. As you can see, there are different available. offers for United States. So this is what I want, because the jobs that I'm going to advertise is based on United States. So people from United States are going to go to the job description, or to the job advertisement. So mostly people from United States are going to probably see my offer. So these all are available offers for me that I can use for people from United States. So from this all alternative offers, three or two or four, based on my choice, will pop up on the offer. So that's it. So what I'm going to do is, after I log this website, I'm going to advertise the jobs in order for me to get a better traffic. I'm not actually advertising the job. I'm just advertising my offer using the job advertisement. So it's easy to uh, actually advertise a job than advertising a CPA link or an offer. So that's what makes it tricky. So I'm going to advertise my job here at Outpost. Outpost is a free website. It's just very easy to sign up. So I'm going to just click on United States. Uh, I already have an account, and I'm going to click on Outpost here. And after that, I'm going to click on employment, because I'm going to post a job. Then I can write something about the job. I can make it. I can select the type of jobs that I'm offering here. So it's a product design. So probably I'm going to make it support service, and the job offered, and the description. I can just come and copy from here uh, the job about the role, the job description. I can take it, copy it from here. So you can see I can take it from here. You can also take the caption here. Just have to do some copy pasting here from the job website. The type may make it part-time, temporary, seniority, and we make it junior. You just can read from here the requirements, and just have to just duplicate it here. So I'm just going to give it some random information, but in order to make it legit, you just have to read this part and duplicate it here. So I'm just going to right copy and paste the job title. I'm going to make it 1000 for, and just the common monthly, and I'm going to make it current date, the date, and then to university. You just can come here and see what the requirements are. So if it says university degree, you can make it university degree. If it's a master's, you can make it master's. That's as it is. So more than five, the opening advertisement, I'm going to make it company. The name of the company uh, is Quora. I just can copy and paste that. So the name is going to be left with me. So I just don't have to display the information. So the website is going to be this website, but first I'm going to go to briefly and shorten the website link. So I'm going to click on add, and create a more shortened and good uh, link here. So I'm just going to go back to the Adposter site and paste the new link here. So as you can see, I just finish giving information about my post. Like as you can see, this is going to this is how it's going to look like. Part-time temporary junior staff, the job title product designer at Quora, salary, as you can see. You can give, you can make it more, you can make it look like more legit and more attractive. So you can work on this part of the process so that you can advertise mm, uh, the job in a good way so that you can get more traffic. So once your job advertisement is posted, that's what you have to do. This means when people uh, got your advertisement here and click on your website, they will be directed to this page. But before this page is displayed for them, they're going to be asked to complete an offer before in order to prove that they're human. So they're going to click on I'm not a robot, and the offers will be clicked, and when they use the offer and enter their email address, you're going to be paid for each action as it is a CPA marketing. So it's all about today. I am sure that you like it and enjoy it. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel to show me some support. I wish you to have a good time until I get back to you with another exciting video. I'm sure you like it. Thank you.